everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I've got a quick and easy craft for you today, just using some paper to make some really pretty bows, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, pop on and tell me where you're from and say hello. If you're one of my YouTube family, thanks so much for joining. Also, don't forget the 15K giveaway. It's almost here next week, so you can still enter. The link is below in the description. So these are paper bows. They're really, really pretty, and they'll add a lot to your gifts. So you're going to want to save this video. And I'm going to show you, this is with 12-inch paper, and the strips are cut at 1 inch, and you use 6. This one is 8 by 8 inch paper. I love this size actually. And I cut the strips at 3/4 of an inch. This is not a full strip. The middle one is not. This one I put 2, cut it in half, put 2. I don't know if I really need that, but you can add as many strips as you want. Let me show you how to make this. It's really simple. So you just need 6 strips, 5, 6. All right. So all you have to do is take your strips and you're going to fold them. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of tips that I've found from doing mine. Because this is a little bit thicker paper, this is more like a cardstock, so that I don't bend and crease, I am rubbing my papers so I get sort of a curl like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to glue them in the middle here, just like this. Now you always only want to glue in the middle. Now I am using hot glue. Hot glue will set really fast, and that is what I want. So now I'm going to glue this side down. It was a little hot, so I just want to do that. All right. So you're just going to glue it in the middle, just like that. And you're going to do that to 5 different pieces. They're going to look like this when you get done. All right. Now we want our bow to look like this. And you could do this with any paper. So once you have your 5 strips folded and glued in the center, you're just going to take a strip and always glue in the middle. So I'm just going to glue there. And then you're going to just glue them down in the middle and cross them. So like I've got this one crossed here. And then I'll take this one. And I'm always gluing the seam down that's in the back, making that a back piece. Not that anybody will necessarily see it, but so then I'm going to crisscross this one. Need some glue in my glue gun. Then I'm going to put this one in here like that. And then that's 4. You could add more than 5, but I'm sticking with 5. I think I like the 5 number. So just putting them like this. So you can see how your bow comes together, and you can move them around until the glue sets. If you want to use liquid glue, you can. I would just suggest using something like a clothespin or a paper clip or something to hold them together. Now to make the center like this, I just cut a little piece, and I didn't really measure it, but I just estimated. So just something like this. And then I just curled it to the size I wanted. So this is probably about 2.5 inches. And that might be a little small, but I think it'll work. So I'm just going to put a little glue here. Just a little. And then I'm going to glue this end to it like that. And just hold it a second. And then I'm going to take this part and glue it down in the center here. And these turn out so fabulous, and you can make quick bows really easy and out of just paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching, and happy bow making. Bye-bye.